हेलो गाइस, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। सो लास्ट वीक हम लोग गए थे गोवा। और ये हमारा 3 साल का प्लानिंग था जो फाइनली इस बार जाके फ्रूटफुल हुआ है। हम लोग प्लानिंग बहुत टाइम से कर रहे थे बट गोवा जा नहीं पा रहे थे। जैसा आप लोगों को पता ही है, गोवा गोवा प्लान करना और गोवा चले जाना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है। बट सडनली हमारा प्लान हुआ। और एज वी प्लान दिस ट्रिप वाया रोड, सो इट गॉट सक्सेस। अदरवाइज फ्लाइट बुकिंग एंड ट्रेन बुकिंग करना, that is another mess. So we decided to take a road trip. It was a nice trip, and we enjoyed the scenic views, the highways. But I must say, like around 50 kilometer, the road is not so good. You will feel you are riding on off road. The road is completely ruined. So if you have choice, you go by train or a flight. Like us, so we had choice but we didn't had the time to book and do all the things, so we decided to go by cars. So anyhow, we reached in around 12 o'clock in Goa. And one thing I must mention, that in Goa, traffic rules are very strict. If you are going by your own car, please make sure you have your PUC, your insurance, your driving license, everything handy with you. They will check you in every check post. And if you are renting a scooty, make sure if you are driving, you have the driving license. And sometimes it happens you are in fun mode, and the person who doesn't have the driving license, he want to drive, and you don't know when the police guy will catch you. So if you have driving license, then only you drive the bike, because police checkpoint is everywhere. You will find the traffic police everywhere in Goa. And one more thing, yes, I almost forgot to say you, that happened with us. It is my own experience. We rented a scooty, two scooties, from a local guy, and he gave us white number plate scooty. So we were heading to Baga Beach, and in between we saw two traffic police. I was realized we have rented scooty, we have our DL, but still he stopped. And I was amazed, why we are stopped again. Then he said, ma'am, your number plate, it's in white color, it should be in yellow. Then I said, oh yes, that rule we knew, but in holiday mood we forgot that rule. So we were again in the clutch of traffic police. So, but anyhow, the traffic guy was nice. We had kid, and he knew we are tourists, and it is the fault of the renter. He shouldn't let us rent those white number plate scooty. But anyhow, he was about to charge 5,000 to 1,000. But in view of my little baby, he left us, and we escaped from that fine. Then we moved to Baga Beach, एंड उधर हमने वाटर स्पोर्ट्स किया। और वाटर स्पोर्ट्स में भी लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, आप अगर वाटर स्पोर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, आप बीच में ही सारा बार्गेन कर लीजिए, कितना प्राइस लेना है, कितना दूर तक जाना है। क्योंकि ये हमारे साथ भी हुआ, हम गए बोट लेकर डीप सी देखने को, और अंजुना बीच से बागा बीच देखने के लिए। तो वो थोड़े दूर पे जाके उन्होंने बोट रोक दिया और फिर बोला, मैडम इधर से और आगे जाना है तो आपको और पैसा देना पड़ेगा। Then we were enjoying, we were in good mood and didn't want to ruin our mood. So my husband said, okay, let's go, let's see, no issue. So we headed over, we went further in the sea, and we came back. It was good. Then we again went to Baga Beach for doing banana ride. Same thing happened. We went around 200 meters. Then he again stopped, and he said, madam, if you want to go further, you have to pay us more. Then that time I was very much furious with those guys, and we directly denied, no, we don't want. And he was not ready to take our no. He was pressurizing us. He was pushing us. No, no, you take it, madam. It's a cheap, not that expensive. You have come for holiday. You should enjoy. You should see the sea. You should have all the fun. Then I was annoyed by this all bargaining in the middle of the sea and in middle of my adventure. So we directly denied. Then he became aggressive, and he started saying, what you will enjoy in this shallow water, you will get hurt if I'll drop you here, let's go inside. So we didn't get threatened, and we said, no, you take us back to the beach. And what happened when he turned the speedboat, I fell down in the sea. Then he is shouting on me, why you fell down, madam, why you left your hand, because he has to come back from beach to take me in the sea. So I was not happy with this experience, and the guy was not welcoming, or anything sort of good. He was not good at all. And the drive and the ride was drive was good, but these things make you feel crazy. So anyhow, mood was spoiled at that time. So we decided to sit by the beach and just relax and just see the people and the beach and they enjoy the scene. So we forgot that thing, and at night we just enjoyed like anything. We Me and my sister dressed very well, and we went to Tito's Lane. It is full of pubs and bars. And if you are female, it's a win win situation for you because you will get free drinks, free complimentary drinks, and a free entry. And if you are going in couple, minimum they will charge you 1,200 like that. So, yeah, that was my overall experience. And let's go to some videos. तो हमने स्टे किया था ईविस होटल पे। ये वेगेटर बीच पे था एंड बागा बीच से अराउंड 20 मिनट्स दूर था। रूम वाज वेरी गुड, इट वाज क्लीन, हाइजेनिक, एंड आई गेस दिस प्रॉपर्टी वाज न्यू, so it was well maintained. Garden was also clean and pool was also very good. And most specifically, the location is at some quiet place, so you will enjoy some peace and some good quality time with your family. And my kid enjoyed the pool a lot. She was not ready to get out from that pool. It was very good pool, and there was a bar beside the pool also, so we enjoyed some beer and had our good swim at the pool. And you can see here me and my sister are playing, so it was a good experience in that hotel. तो होटल चेक इन के बाद हम निकल गए बागा बीच की तरफ, और ये है बागा बीच का मार्केट। यहाँ आप खूब सारी शॉपिंग करिए एंड देन हेड ओवर टू बीच। और ये है बागा बीच, वेरी famous for its nightlife, its lights, decoration, and music. And I was expecting much more crowd at this month, and as it is December month, but it was little less crowded, but good for us. तो ये है अंजुना बीच, और हम लोग प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं अपने बोट राइड के लिए। ये है मेरी सिस्टर, बहुत एक्साइटेड है। ये मेरे हस्बैंड, और ये हस्बैंड के ब्रदर। तो हम लोग ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड हैं बोट पे जाने के लिए। और वो है कॉर्नर पे हमारी बोट, शायद अभी नहीं दिख रही है। तो बैक साइड से इधर एक कैफ़े एंटोनियो बोल के कैफ़े है अंजुना बीच पर, और ये है हमारी बोट, इस पर हम लोग जाने वाले हैं। और उसके बाद हम निकल पड़े बागा बीच के लिए। और आप जैसे देख सकते हैं, ये है बागा बीच। ये एज़ कम्पेयर टू अंजुना बीच बहुत बड़ा बीच है। एंड ये इधर एक हिल है, उसके ऊपर चर्च और सम प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है। और ये है बीच सेक्स, इधर सब आराम से चेयर पे अपना रिलैक्स होके बियर्स, ड्रिंक्स और सम वाटर स्पोर्ट्स। तो देख सकते हैं भीड़ उतना नहीं था जैसा हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि बहुत भीड़ होगा, दिसंबर का मंथ है, बहुत ट्रबल भी होगा भीड़ के वजह से। बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, और मेरी बहन ने फाइनली ब्रेड करवा ही लिया नहीं नहीं करके। और ये मेरी डॉटर है, आइसक्रीम एंजॉय कर रही है, और उसके फादर उसको आइसक्रीम मांग रहे हैं, बट वो तो देने वालों में से नहीं है। ओके, एनी हाउ इट वॉज रिलैक्सिंग एंड वी spent around 2 hours at this beach, and it was a wonderful experience for all of us. तो फाइनली हम पहुंच गए थे टीटोज लेन में। और सबसे पहले हम गए थे टीटोज बार एंड पब में। ये बागा बीच का सबसे फेमस बार है आई गेस। तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्राउड था उस बार में। तो हमने और 2-3 पब चेकआउट कर ही लिया। और उसके बाद हम निकल गए अपने होटल की तरफ। रात के 2 बज रहे थे इस टाइम। और हम लोग बहुत टायर्ड थे, तो हम लोग सीधे पहुंचे होटल और वहाँ रेस्ट किया और नेक्स्ट दिन फिर बैंगलोर के लिए निकल पड़े। सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माई गोवा व्लॉग। सो गाइज इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट माई गोवा ब्लॉग। अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। सी यू सून। बाय बाय।